this weight loss journey, I can say truly is one of the hardest things I have ever done.
I've been on the road, out here with the squad, everybody trying.
On the treadmill, I'll start visualizing the life that I want to live and like the body, my look, my confidence, like all that. And it's just crazy. Like I just be feeling it. Like y'all, like I literally just be feeling it inside me.
You should have said I'm not without the plain boy, cause I ain't a regular girl. We don't do regular in my world, yeah, yeah, yeah. I never fight for love that I don't feel like it's coming back to me. I'm not your average, can't you see? And if you want me, do these 3 things for me, baby. Yeah, love and caress and know me, baby. Ay, yeah, and if you love me, show me, baby. That's all I need you to do for me. It's so simple, can't you see? So now I know if we're meant to be. Yeah, yeah. Actions speak louder than words. So baby, if you love me, you better put in that word.
All right, time to go, y'all. I have my earphones, check my wallet, check. Today's currently week 2 of the gym. I'm running late. I'm so bad. David's already there. We're doing fasted cardio. So I feel like I shouldn't even be drinking this smoothie. Good morning, my blessed family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony. I hope you all are blessed and highly favored. Welcome back, my blessed and beautiful people. So we just finished day 1. I'm sorry I could not, week 2, day 1 of the week, Monday. Good morning, everybody. Sorry I could not vlog much of my workout. I'll try to do that for you guys tomorrow. We had to like get in, get to moving, and get out. So we usually do like around an hour workout. Today we did shoulders and back, and then I did like 15 minutes of cardio, and then we are good to go. Like 6:10 in the morning. I don't really know what we're doing. I'm kind of cramping, but I'm shaking it off, and we're gonna get out there and get to work. You know, 30 pounds can't lose itself, y'all. Whatever weight you want to lose, you got to do it. You got to be consistent. You got to be in it for the long run. So yeah, happy day 2. Happy Tuesday. Good luck with y'all journey, or if y'all just watching me, I encourage you to do whatever it is that you are wanting to do. Go out there, do your best. You can win when you don't quit. To get on here and talk to y'all because I had just been, it's so weird, like I'd be feeling like the enemy be trying to like come for me and play me, but it's week 2, day 2, and we did arm day, and I was really proud of myself this morning. David like came and got me because I was like low-key kind of asleep, but he was there to like be accountable for me. I don't even think he knows that. Anyway, so we got to the gym, we had a good workout, and on our drive home, I was just like thinking like, wow, is this ever going to happen for me? Like, am I going to lose this weight, y'all? And I know like you look at me like, oh yeah, you're skinny, but for me, I just feel like really fluffy, and I sometimes be feeling like I'm dealing with like body dysmorphia, but that's a whole nother subject, y'all. But I just wanted to come on here and just be raw and honest right now because I just want to keep going, and I want to lose this weight so bad, y'all. Like, sometimes I be feeling so uncomfortable in my body, and I just be like, dang, like I just want to I just want to let this weight go and let this off of me. And I just want to be the best version of myself ever. And I didn't, like, honestly, like, this weight loss journey, I can say truly is one of the hardest things I have ever done in my life, because it's not an overnight thing, y'all. Like, it is constant commitment and discipline and sacrifice and just constantly just going at it all the time. And there are days where I'm like really have fun, and the other days it's just like you have to just do it. And I realized like that whole thing about like willpower and discipline, like it's more than just like, oh, I feel inspired and I feel sparked and like, yes, I'm excited and encouraged and like motivate. Like motivation, y'all, like I'm in this midst of this, like motivation is literally at the bottom. Like discipline, I feel like truly trumps motivation, because last week I was motivated. Last week I was like, yes, I'm about to tackle it. I'm so excited. But today, being day 2 of second week, y'all, like it comes to that discipline where you're not feeling motivated. You have to have that foundation of discipline to come in and like, okay, I'm going to do it no matter what, y'all. And I want this year for me to be a good year, and I want to like let this weight off of me. And I don't know, I just be watching like YouTube videos of like people doing their workouts and weight loss video journey, and they're like smiling and so excited. And honestly, I mean, maybe for some people, yes, but that's not every day. And I just want to show y'all like, no, there are days where it fucking sucks. Like, damn, like why did I get myself like this? Like, why did I let myself go? But I have to remind myself though, like I have the power to make a change. Like, yes, I don't like the way I look right now, but goddamn it, I can make a change and I can do something about it, you know? And I have to realize that, you know, I'm not disabled. I'm not broken. I can truck through this, and I'm I'm so happy. But yeah, I just wanted to share that real quickly with y'all. Like, at the end of the day, like you can do anything you put your mind to, and like it takes work. Like weight loss takes work. And I'll be watching these videos like, I lost 30 pounds in a month, or I lost 20 pounds in a week. How, Sway? I don't know, but I feel like every day, if I just go in there and do my best, I can do this. So I just wanted to share that with y'all, like, and myself, that, you know, I'm trying. Like, I really am trying. Anyway, enough blabbering, y'all. I just wanted to share that with you. I'm about to make the Chick-fil-A salad, so I'll be doing that right now. Let me go put some earrings on and some chapstick, because I'm looking like a little boy.
Smile more when you come by. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go.
My Chick-fil-A salad, it is so good. I made it yesterday. This time I added apples. This is so good. Okay, gotta go, y'all. It's freaking freezing outside. Oh my God. Oh, so cold.
Ryan Little.
Y'all look. What is, baby, look at this. Look at this fine piece of chocolate. Milk dud. Snickerdoodle. Yam of a man.
Something like that. Make sure y'all subscribe to the OnlyFans to see more.
Why would you say that?
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I...
Hey y'all. So it is currently, I think it's like 9:40 or 10, it's almost about to be 10 o'clock. And I'm at the gym. I'm about to do 45 minutes. So yeah, let's get it.
I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours.
Y'all, I just did it. Your girl did her 45. Beat that, David. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. Oh my God, it feels so good. I just finished up my 45 cardio. It was really good, y'all. I'm about to be so freaking slim thick this summer. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's so crazy, y'all. Like, I really believe in like manifestation and visualization. So what I do is, like, while I'm on the treadmill, I'll start visualizing the life that I want to live, and like the body, my look, my confidence, like all that. And it's just crazy. Like, I just be feeling it. Like, y'all, like, I literally just be feeling it inside me. And I know, like, by any means necessary, like, it's so weird. Like, I feel like this weight loss journey is so much different than all the other times that I've tried and failed, but I feel so good. Like, I literally feel so good right now. So it's only the beginning. I'm so excited to see what's gonna be like, y'all. Like, these vlogs are gonna be like super raw, extremely like unedited, and I'm just gonna give y'all the real of how I feel. Happy, sad, pissed off, crying, like whatever. Like, I'm gonna share that. This is like just my personal diary of my weight loss journey. So yeah, I'm about to shower and start editing some of this video so I can get it up for y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all so much, blessed family. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
On some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good.